The following application method applies to Circaid Juxtafit Premium and Juxtafit Essentials. Circaid Juxtafit Premium has landing pads for the Velcro bands. The Velcro bands of the Circaid Juxtafit Essentials are secured directly to the garment. Slide the Circaid sock whole leg up to the groin. The seam of the sock should face out. Ensure that there are no wrinkles in the sock. Align the Circaid Juxtafit Upper Leg with knee just below the groin. The black side of the material should face the skin. Make sure that the lateral rise of the garment is positioned on the lateral side of the upper leg. Unroll the top two bands and loosely secure them far enough below the groin as to not to cause discomfort. This will anchor the legging in place and enable you to easily raise or lower the garment for correct positioning. Unroll the bottom two bands and secure the bottom band to the outside of the legging. Then, while holding the second band, unroll the next band. Secure the second band and continue this process with the other bands, going up the leg. The garment should lay flat and wrinkle-free against the leg. Adjust each band to a firm and comfortable compression level. Ensure that the bands are placed in an alternating order. Once all bands are secured, inspect the garment for any gaps or creases. Adjust the bands as necessary. If present, make sure that the Velcro tabs are attached to the respective landing pads. To adjust the garment according to your indicated compression level, take the BPS card and line up the black triangle on the card with one of the BPS lines on the bottom band. Note where the second BPS line lines up with the card's compression ranges. In this case, the patient needs 20 to 30 millimeters of mercury. If more compression is needed, tighten the band until the correct compression range is achieved. If less compression is needed, completely loosen the band and refasten it with less tension. Adjust the band until you have set the band to the correct compression level. Repeat this process with each band going up the leg. Make sure to adjust each band to the same level of compression. Readjust the bands as needed throughout the day to provide firm and comfortable compression. Once the correct pressure is set using the BPS card, you may fold the top part of the Circaid sock over the top edge of the Circaid Juxtafit garment. To remove the garment, remove the Circaid knee cover first. Detach all bands of the legging starting with the top band. Fold each band onto itself to keep the Velcro tabs lint-free. Remove the garment and then remove the Circaid undersleeve. The Circaid Juxtafit is available in several options and can be combined in multiple ways to create complete coverage. For example, a Circaid Juxtafit lower leg can be combined with a Circaid Juxtafit upper leg with knee. Alternatively, a Circaid Juxtafit lower leg can be combined with a Circaid Juxtafit knee and a Circaid Juxtafit upper leg. Always ensure that there are no gaps between the individual garments. Lastly, the Circaid Juxtafit whole leg, a one-piece garment, can also be worn to provide complete coverage.